Do you ever wish you could sound cool and professional in a workspace, but instead you sound a little bit something like this?
You just said what?
I did not say what. I said you.
That's what I'm asking you.
And you is answering.
Shut up!
Let's listen to two very cool young professionals and see what they sound like in the office space. Good morning, Tom. Did you get the memo about the work meeting in 20 minutes? Good morning, Anne. Seriously, another one? I'm a bit tied up right now. Ugh, man, sorry to hear. A lot on your plate this week? You know, I don't even really know. I'm so burnt out. But I am currently doing a deep dive into my Facebook memories, and let me tell you, that's really hard work. So don't think I'll make the meeting. It's probably just to touch base or whatever anyways.
You might have to bite the bullet on this one. Boss said it's a must.
Probably about something really important. Guess it's layoffs or whatever. I mean, sucks for those people, but I mean, the perk for us is that those meetings are always pretty quick, so. Okay, come on, let's head there now.
1 hour later.
I can't believe I got the boot. Can you believe the boss told me I'm a slacker? Me? One, memo, a short little message or note. Memo. 2 and 3, I'm tied up and I have a lot on my plate right now. Both mean I'm very busy. Burnout is exhaustion from work when you feel like you can't go anymore. A deep dive is a deep examination of something. That's a deep dive when you investigate something deeply. To touch base is to make quick communication with someone just to see how they're doing, to check in, to see how things are going. It's very common in offices to touch base with your team. To bite the bullet is to do something that you really don't want to do, like biting a bullet, for example. It's a must, means you have to do it. There's no other option. Layoffs, a word that nobody wants to hear, is when employees are asked to leave their job. A perk is the bright side, the positive, the sunshine. To get the boot is another word that means your boss asked you to leave work. A slacker is someone that doesn't do their work, someone that's really lazy. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and I'll see you next time.